Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka has today aired his intention to file a lawsuit against some government officials in the Ministry of Environment and Energy in connection to the Embakasi gas explosion. The move comes at a time Embakasi South Member of Parliament Julius Mawathe raised concerns over the possibility of another gas plant in Imara Daima. Ivan Kemuma is on that beat tonight.
Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka has today announced plans to file a lawsuit against some government officials in charge of environment and energy affairs, as he states that they had authority over the National Environmental Management Authority of Kenya, NEMR, and the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority, EPRA. Kalonzo notes that these bodies could have taken action before the Embakasi gas explosion.
Permanent Secretary for the Environment yanahusika na mambo ya NEMA na mengineo. Number 2, the CS or PS for Energy kusimamia mambo ya EPRA na mambo ya kupeana gas na licensing na kila kitu. Tuelewa pengine kuna makesi ambayo yanaendelea.
The Wiper Party leader, who was addressing the media earlier today, also took a swipe at the Kenya Kwanza government as he blamed the president for what he termed as incapacity to take charge of the country's economy. Similar sentiments were echoed by the Embakasi East Member of Parliament as he called out the president for his inaction after the Embakasi gas explosion, saying the president's activities have continued as normal.
Mimi kushtukia magazeti leo asubuhi anasema base lending rate inaenda juu from 12.5% to 13%. Wakenya watakuwa sasa hawezi hata kwenda kukopa pesa mahala popote. Because interest peke yake, interest rate.
It is quite shameful that when fire conflagration engulfed the great people of Embakasi East constituency, Ruto was and is still busy sitting on his hands.
Embakasi South Member of Parliament Julius Mawathe has, however, raised concerns over a similar gas plant situated in a residential area at Imara Daima, as he called for immediate action to move the gas plant in order to avert any crisis.
Shida ni ya kwamba hichi kiwanda kiko katikati ya wenyeji. Kuna nyumba mingi za ambazo watu wanaishi na biashara kadhaa ambazo zimezunguka. Endapo kwa bahati mbaya hajali itokee hapa Imara, hii itaua watu wengi kushinda hata ile ya Embakasi.
Yesterday, the Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja ordered for the closure of all gas plants located in residential areas within Nairobi. One more victim of the Embakasi gas explosion died today while receiving treatment. Yvonne Kemuma, KUTV.